Hey, it's Ken Barrett Laundromat How To. Little follow up to yesterday where we had some weird stuff going on when you hit the bottom. When you hit the bottom buttons on this, the top dryer would start, and when you hit the top dryer, the bottom dryer would start. A couple things to quick and easy check was I pulled the board off and swapped it with another one, and the problem did stay with this. So what it is, and what I kind of figured was it's this the touchpad itself. So you can buy this touchpad as just a replacement part. There's actually little circuit boards in there that the buttons hit on. So these just you shut the power off to it, and then unplug this ribbon strip here. Just be careful, you don't want to bend any of these little pins, and then that'll feed out through that slot. And what you do is just get in here and you just catch an edge of this and just peel this off. You see in the back of here, you pull this backing paper off and get it lined up and stick the new one in, and away you go. So these are, I mean, it's a part that's going to wear if you've got enough of these. I've got 10 of these, 20 if you count the other stores. So you want to keep a couple of those in stock. It's a quick, easy fix. And I moved it today. I just didn't have time yesterday. But yeah, so you just, it's a quick, easy fix. And you'll get weird stuff like that. Or, you get somebody along here, they'll come along with a pen, decide to carve the front off of it. So that's the fix for it. And got any comments or questions, let me know. You can send me an email at ken@laundromathowto.com. And don't forget to join our Facebook group. We'll talk a bit more stuff in there. Talk to you soon.